Hello friends, this is Kritik. So today I made a project automatic water level indicator and automatic like it will off the motor easily. So we see like when the tank overflows, like we are wasting a lot many more water. And even if we take like a multi-story buildings such as apartments, flats, like we have to appoint somebody else for keeping the water, like keeping the motor to run and off again and again. So it would be like very difficult for him to manage because it's a manpower. While machines are not like that. They do the accurate work which we are programming it. So today I am in the same way I made a water tank. What happened means when like the level increases, there will be one terminal. That's the main. Sorry, there will be like one terminal which is the main one, and a second, and it's a common terminal. So what happens in the common terminal? In the common terminal, it sends like a data. Like first, it's a positive data. So when it gets touched at the low level, so what happens automatically? There will be another wire. There will be another wire in the same circuit, which will be set at another level. So this common base will be there. So while we pour water inside it, the water gets filled. So it touches first it touches the common terminal. Second, it touches the another terminal, which is being free-ended. So the circuit gets closed because water is a good conductor of electricity. Like tap water is a normal conductor of electricity. So we can normally use like the bore wells are always has impurities which conducts electricity. So it will be easy for us for making this project easier and cheap efficient. So now I'll show you it. Now, in this project I will be using a 9-volt battery and a normal PCB board for controlling it, and a water pump and a model tank. So I'll be showing it now. So this is the bore well which is being used for my project. So this bore, so I'm using imagine this as an bore well. This is a bore well and these are the water pipes. So this is the main pipe where the water will come out. So this is the water tank. I am leaving the main pipe here, and these are the levels which I said, and this is the main PCB board. Like I have a relay, an L293D, and a few LEDs, and two 9-volt battery, one for these LEDs and one for the motor. And you can see this is the default water level. The thing which is here, this is the common, and this is the second terminal, and this is medium, and this is full. So now the LED is being connected. You can see this is the power LED and this is the low level. So you can see it has been touching the lower levels. So water has been touching the lower levels, so it shows an low. Now so this is the inside the motor, and now I'm powering up the motor. The motor is on. You can see the water flow. It's in low level, so you can wait until it's full. So these are being used very easily. So you can see that it is been touching some level. So it has been touching. It is been touched the medium level here. So you can see the light has been glowed to medium. So I have added a buzzer because when there is an overflow, it keeps alert the system for that there is an overflow here. You can see the motor is been running. The water is bit slower because due to some few activities, so just I will be raising it. The water flow is still at the same rate. The water is going to touch the lower unit. You can see the water is being it's going slow because it has touched the level. Now the water flow has been stopped. There is an trigger because it's not touching the it's not touching exactly. So what I'll do, I'll just reduce. So you can see it's touching correctly, and the LED started glowing like that like the water is being full. Now I am taking out this. I'm taking out this extra one. Oh sorry, there is a small jerk. Yeah, so still you can see the water flow because I took out the larger one. It's slippery. Yeah, now I'm keeping it. The LED has started glowing here. So the water has stopped. Gradually it is being stopped here. So there will be no overflowing here. So we can control we can control the water flow by this module. And thank you friends.